Most people lose Pi not because of hacks, but because of simple mistake. Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 mistakes killing your Pi network account. The first is not mining daily. Many users forget to tap the mining button every 24 hours. If you don't mine, you earn 0 Pi. To fix this, you have to set a daily alarm so you won't miss it. The second reason is ignoring KYC verification. Without KYC, you may never withdraw from your Pi account, and some account risks being hacked. In order to fix this, you have to complete your verification now that is still available. The third reason is not building your security circle. Your mining rate stay low without a strong circle. You are losing extra Pi daily if you don't build your security circle. In order to build your security circle, all you need is to add 3 to 5 trusted active users to your Pi accounts. The fourth reason is using multiple or fake accounts. Pi network has strict rules. Multiple accounts can get easily banned permanently. Stick to one account and save your Pi. Fifth reason is being inactive for too long. Using an inactive account or being inactive for too long can affect your progress in Pi network. In order to be progressive in this Pi account or in Pi, all you need is to stay active and check your Pi account daily or always. So guys, these are the 5 mistakes killing your Pi account. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.